Abreo Gray 4-seater garden rattan furniture sofa armchair set with coffee table wicker weave conservatory, dark mixed gray with dark cushions. Low maintenance ownership. This rattan set is specifically designed to provide you with low maintenance ownership. This outdoor garden furniture will require little maintenance due to its high-quality construction materials and design. Constructed with a PE rattan weave material which never needs to be painted or treated. High-quality rattan weave. This rattan furniture set is finished with a high-grade premium PE rattan weave. All rattan furniture sets incorporating table glass tops are specified and supplied with tempered safety glass, ensuring your investment can be enjoyed by all of the family without safety concerns. Removable and washable cushion covers. Relax in the knowledge that this set is supplied with high-quality cushions which are dirt-resistant and shower-proof. This rattan set has substantial foam seat cushions and has seat covers which are fully removable via a sturdy zip to allow washing, allowing all of your family and pets to enjoy your garden furniture set without the worry. Rattan 2-seat sofa set with 2 chairs and a coffee table, featuring a stunning high black gloss tabletop. Others only have plain clear glass.